Hello achievers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to divide a particular number with respective ratio under the topic ratio and proportion. See what they will give. They'll be giving you some number called x and they'll be asking you to divide this number x in the ratio a is to b. Okay, so you need to find what will be the value of a and what will be the value of b. Okay, suppose if they are asking to find the value of a, so what you have to do in the sense a divided by you have to add this two ratio, which is nothing but a plus b multiplied by x. Suppose if they are giving another number called x, okay, they are asking you to divide it in the ratio a is to b is to c. Suppose if they are asking you to find what is the third part, that is c part, what you have to do, okay, which part you want to find divided by, okay, you need to add all those ratios, okay, which is nothing but a plus b plus c multiplied by x. Okay, so this is how you will be dividing some particular number according to the given ratio. Now we'll solve some questions. Okay, see here, the sum of three numbers is 105. Okay, sum of three numbers is 105. If the ratio between first and second number is 2 is to 3 and between second and third number is 4 is to 5, find the second number. See here what they are telling. Let me take first number is like A and second number is like B. Okay, and third number is like C. So they are telling the ratio of A and B is nothing but 2 is to 3. Okay, the ratio of B and C is nothing but 4 is to 5. So first thing you need to find the ratio of A, B and C. Okay, so if you don't know how to find the ratio of A, B, C, okay, so we have made the videos like how to find the ratios. Okay, so just refer that video. I'll give that link in the description. Okay, see here how you have to write A, B, C ratios like 2, 3, 3. Okay, so here it will be like 4, 4 and 5. Okay, so what will be the ratio of A? Here it will be like 8 and it will be like 12 and it will be like 15. Okay, so the ratio of A, B, C is nothing but 8 is to 12 is to 15. Okay, 8 is to 12 is to 15. Now what they are telling, sum of three numbers is 105. Okay, so okay, that is A plus B plus C. Okay, sum of these three number is nothing but 105. Okay, then find the second number. See what they are directly indirectly they are telling in the sense, divide this one number 105 in the ratio 8 is to 12 is to 15. Okay, 8 is to 12 is to 15. See, just now we have seen how to divide the number. Okay, which value we need to find? We need to find the second number. What is the second number ratio? Second number ratio is nothing but 12. Okay, 12 by, okay, you have to divide by which number? You have to divide by sum of the ratio. Okay, what is 8 plus 12? 20. So 20 plus 15, 35. Okay, multiplied by given number. What is the given number? 105. So 35 ones are 35 threes are. So what is 12 threes are? 36. Okay, so this is how you need to find the number. Suppose if you don't want to use this method, okay, one more method is there. Okay, always they'll be giving you some numbers like sum of the given number. Okay, so equate that number, okay, 105 to sum of the ratio. Okay, sum of the ratio. What is 8 plus 12 plus 15, which is nothing but 35. Okay, so 35 part. So if 35 part is 105, and what we need to find? We need to find second number, which is nothing but 12 part. Okay, then 12 part is nothing but how much? Now you can cross multiply. Okay, if you cross multiply, what happens? 105 into 12 part by 35 part. Okay, new part and part will get cancelled. This is one time and this is three times. So 12 into 3, 36. Okay, next one. Okay, next one. See here, the sum of three numbers is 98. The ratio of first to second is 2 is to 3. Okay, first to second is 2 is to 3. Okay, so first to second is 2 is to 3 and second to third is 5 is to 8. Okay, so here I'll be writing 5 and you'll be writing 3. Okay, now what is the ratio of first number? Okay, 10 15, and 24. Okay, the ratio of first number, second number, and third number is nothing but 10 is to 15 is to 24. Okay, now again, what we need to find second number. Okay, I said two methods. So what is the sum of three numbers? Sum of three numbers is 98. Okay, so you want to divide that number in the ratio 10 is to 15 is to 24. And what we need to find? We need to find the second number. So second number is nothing but this middle number. So what I have to do? Okay, 15 divided by, okay, 10 plus 15, 25. So 25 plus 24, 49. That is sum of all the ratios multiplied by 98. So this is one time and this is two times. So 15 twos are 30. So answer for this one is 30. Otherwise, what is the one more method? We'll be considering all the three things as a part. So 10 plus 15 plus 24, so it is nothing but 49 part. Okay, this sum of ratio is nothing but given number. Okay, it is nothing but 98. And what we need to find second number. What is the second number? 15 part. So 15 part is how much? Okay, cross multiply. So 98 into 15 by 49. Okay, so two time and one time. So what is 12? 2 into 5, which is nothing but 30. So answer for the one is nothing but 30. Okay, next one. Okay, next one. See here. Sum of three numbers is 275. Again, first number and second number. Okay, so first number and second number is 3 is to 7. Second number and third number is nothing but 2 is to 5. Okay, so if you multiply, what happens here? So 7, here 2. So here it is like 6, 14, and 35. Find the second number. So second number is nothing but 14 divided by, so 35 plus 14, 49. So 49 plus 6, 55 into 275. Okay, so this is one time and this is 5 times. So what is 14 5s here? So 14 5s here is 70. So answer for this one is 70. Otherwise, what is the one more thing? You have to add all those ratio. Okay, what is the sum of ratio? 55 part. That 55 part is nothing but the sum of three numbers, which is nothing but 275. And what we need to find? Second number. Okay, second number is nothing but 14 part. So 14 part is how much? So 275 into 14 by 55, one time, 5 times. So 14 into 5, 70. The answer for this one will be 70. Okay, next. Okay, a sum of 10,980 is divided among ABC in the ratio 7 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, respectively. How much is C's share? Okay, what is the C's share they are asking? So what is the C's number? C's number is 5 divided by sum of ratios. So 7 plus 3 plus 5, 15 multiplied by 10980. So one time, three time. Again cancel. So 3, okay, 6, 6, 0. So answer for this one will be 3, 6, 6, 0. Okay, next one. Okay, ratio of amount of A to B is 3 is to 7. Okay, so first number and second number, that is A and B is 3 is to 7 and B to C is 6 is to 5. B to C is 6 is to 5. Okay, now what will be the ratio of ABC? Okay, what will be the ratio of ABC? 18, 42, 35. What we need to find? Amount of money received by B. Okay, what is the amount of money received by B? 45. Okay, divided by what is sum of all the numbers? The sum of all the numbers is 95 multiplied by given number, which is 33, 6, 30. Okay, so if I cancel by 5 table, it will become 19 times, and here it is like 6, 7, 2, 6. Okay, again if I cancel 19, these are 57. So 1 not 19, 5s are 95, 76. So 354. So answer will be 42 into 354. Okay, see here, I'll give you one method here, or I'll tell you one short trick. Listen, just observe the option. Okay, just observe the options. So in real time example or real time exam, don't multiply 354 into 42 and blah blah blah. Don't do like that. Okay, just to check for the options. If you check for the options 8700, okay, so the last number is like different, right? So multiply the last two digit. What is 420? 4 2s are 8. So answer will be 14,868. Okay, answer will be 14,868. That's it. So answer will be 14,868. Okay, next. Okay. So again they are giving AB in the ratio 1 is to 2, BC in the ratio 3 is to 1, and CD in the ratio 2 is to 3. So here I will be writing 2, and here I will be writing 1, and here I will be writing 3, 2, 2. So what will be the ratio of A, B, C, D? 6, 12, 4, 6. Okay, again, can I able to cancel? Yes. So 3, 6, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the thing. Now, what they are asking, see, what is this ratio? A is to B is to C is to D. And they are asking you to find share of A and B. Okay, there are two methods. One is like finding the value of A, that is 3 by 9, okay, 3 by 14 into what is the given number? 5600. Okay, so we'll be getting like 1200, and value of B is like 6 by 14 into 5600. Okay, again it is like 400 times 2400 will be getting, this is value of A and this is value of B. So 3600. So this is one method. Otherwise, one another method is like, see what they're asking you to find. They are asking you to find share of A and B. Okay, what is the share ratio of A and B or share of A and B? So what is 3 plus 6? 9 part. Okay, so 9 part is how much they are asking. And what this 5600 is? That 5600 is nothing but sum of the ratio. So what is 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3, which is 14 part. So if 14 part is 5600, they're asking you what is 9 part. Correct now? So just cross multiply. So 5600 into 9 part by 14 part. Okay. So cancel, this is one time and this is four times. So 9 into 400, which is 3600. So answer will be 3600. Okay. Next one. Two numbers are in the ratio 9 is to 1. If sum of these two numbers is 660, find the difference between the numbers. Okay. Again, instead of going with the long method, okay, what is 9 part and what is 11 part, instead of going that much big, okay, we'll solve it in the easy way. So what I said, the sum of numbers, okay, sum of number is nothing but sum of the ratio. Okay, what is 9 plus 11? 20 part. And what they are asking you to find, difference between the numbers. Okay, so difference between the numbers is nothing but difference between the ratio. What is difference between 11 and 9? 2 part. Okay, see here, cross multiply. So 660 into 2 by 20. Okay, and your 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So answer will be 66. Okay, so answer for this one will be 66. Okay, next. Okay, so 6008, sorry, 68,000 is divided among A, B, C in the ratio 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 is to 1 by 4 is to 5 by 16. So what will be the ratio of ABC? Okay, again, this one also we have said in the previous video. If you have not watched the video, please watch it. Okay, see how to find the value of A. So the thing is simple, multiply these two things. So we'll be getting 64. Similarly, what is the value of B? Value of B will be multiply these two things. Okay, so we're getting 32. What is the value of C? 8 5s are 40. Okay, so can I able to cancel it by any number? Yes, by 8 table. This is 8 times, this is 4 times, and this is 5 times. So this is the ratio of A, B, and C. Okay, so if I add all those ratio, okay, if I add all those ratio, how much are getting? 17 part. This 17 part is nothing but given number. So what is the given number? 68,000. And what we need to find? difference of greatest and the smallest number. Okay, so this is the greatest number, this is the smallest number. What is the difference of greatest and smallest number? So greatest and smallest number is 4 part. Okay, this 4 part is how much? So 68,000 into 4 part by 17 part. Okay, so 17 into 4, 68. So 4,000. So 4,000 into 4 is nothing but 16,000. Okay, answer for this one is nothing but 16,000. Okay, next. Divide 1,870 in 3 parts in such a way that, okay, half of first part is equal to one third of second part is equal to one sixth of third part. See how I can write a by b is equal, sorry, a by 2 is equal to b by 3 is equal to c by 6. Okay, so always remember if they are giving a ratio like a by 2 is equal to b by 3 is equal to c by 6, that is a by x is equal to b by y is equal to c by z. Okay, the ratio of a, b, c will be x is to y is to z. Okay, so similarly, what is the ratio here? A is to b is to c is nothing but 2 is to 3 is to 6. Okay. Now what they are asking you to find. So you need to divide 1,870 okay into 3 parts. Okay, what is the part? 2 is to 3 is to 6. So in that first I want to find what is a part. So 2 divided by 11. Okay, if I cancel it 170. So 170 into 2 340. Okay, so 170 into 2 340. Okay, next 170 into 3 which is 510. Okay, 117 to 6 because we need to find third part now. Okay, see here. Okay, see this is how to find the value of A. So 170, 1870 into 3 by 11. Anyhow, it is like 170, right? So instead of 2, we are going to multiply by 3. We will be getting value of B. So 170 into 3 is nothing but 510. So similarly, 1870 into 6 by 11 is equal to C. Okay, again 170 into 6 is nothing but 1020. The answer for the given question is 340, 510 and 1020. Okay, next. Okay, rupees 770 has been divided among A, B, C in such a way A receives, okay, A receives 2 by 9 of what B and C receive. Then the share of A is. Okay, they are telling A by B plus C is nothing but 2 by 9. And they are asking you to find what is A. See, sum of ratio. What is the sum of ratio? See, what is the meaning of A by B? A by B plus C. A is to B plus C ratio is nothing but 2 is to 9. So what is sum of ratio? Sum of ratio is 11. So what is this 11 equal to? 11 is equal to total given number. What is that? 770. What we need to find? A's ratio. What is A's ratio? 2 part. So 2 part is how much? Okay. So cross multiply 770 into 2 by 11. So just 70 into 2, 140. So A share is nothing but 140. Okay. Next. Okay. Amount of 950 is distributed among A, B, and C in the ratio 5 is to 11 is to 3. Okay. 5 is to 11 is to 3. What is the difference between share of B and A? See, 950, okay, that 950 is nothing but sum of the ratio. Okay, what is the sum of ratio? 16 plus 3, 19 per. And what they are asking you to find, what is the difference between share of A and B? What is the difference between 5 and 11? 6 per. So 6 per is how much? Okay, cross multiply 950 into 6 by 19. One time and 50 times. So what is 50 into 6? 300. So difference between share of B and A is 300. Okay. Next. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video is helpful for you, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.